turning the page over to a different topic that is generating international headlines. Various sources are citing and announcing the addition to Aruba's latest culinary experience, which is BLT steak. From CNN to Newsmaker, multiple online sources are giving Aruba some publicity on the addition to the luxury steakhouse.
The Ritz-Carlton Aruba will be replacing their fine dining seafood restaurant Le Crustacés with BLT steak. The restaurant is cited by CNN as an award-winning venue set to debut at a 5-star hotel this August. This will be BLT Steak's second outpost in the Caribbean, its first at the Ritz property in San Juan. BLT Steak is known for its signature style and exceptional service.